Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up eBay ads. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have some listings on eBay and you want to go ahead and set up ads for it. How do you actually go ahead and set up eBay ads? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So I come from a background in which I'm really not so diverse in ads, so I just try to do the minimal amount as possible as far as setting up ads on eBay goes. So it's definitely not going to be too complex, but the first thing that we're going to do is log onto our eBay account. Next, you're going to highlight advertising and then click on dashboard. After that, you want to click on create new campaign, and then you want to click on promote your listings. And then from here, you have two different campaign strategies to choose from. You can either pay for clicks or you can pay for sales. Now, I don't know anyone that uses pay for clicks for eBay. I think that's more for advanced ad users. So what I'll do is I'll usually use pay for sales. Next, click on add listings. And then, by the way, the thing with pay for sales is that you're only going to pay a percentage if you make a sale. So even though someone clicks on your listing, you're not going to pay for that click, which is why I like paying for sales rather than just clicks. So click on add listings. And then for our example, we're just going to choose this product right here, Pokemon cards. Click on add listing, and then you need to select an ad rate strategy. So you can either do dynamic ad rates, and usually if you are going to do a dynamic ad rate, I set an ad rate cap. So the ad rate cap that I set is 5%. And you can also set an ad rate modifier, meaning that if a more competitive cap can help you improve campaign performance, what this means is that it'll actually add more percentage to your ad rates if you have competition who's beating you. So I don't normally go into that detail, but if you want to choose dynamic ad rate, you can set it to 5%, or if you choose fixed ad rate, you can also set it to 5% as well. Now, the suggested ad rate, I normally don't go by the suggested ad rate. I usually just set mine to 5%, but you can set yours to whatever you want. So we'll just use a fixed ad rate of 5%, and then you want to name your campaign. So we'll say Pokemon Evolved, which is the name of the product. Start date is today, and then the end date is continuous, and then click on launch. So that's pretty much it, guys. It's a really easy way to actually set up. And I'd say the key thing when running eBay ads is that for the campaign strategy, I really like only paying for sales and not paying for clicks. It still increases visibility, which is great, but you can set it for a higher ad rate percentage so that your post gets seen more. So for example, if I go from 5% to 10%, you'll see that I get more impressions if obviously I'm paying a higher percentage on my ad rate. But there you have it, guys. That right there is how to go ahead and set up eBay ads. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.